Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I will be showing you how I do my college makeup. So we have uniform in our college and we have to be very specific about the makeup we put. So we need to go with very minimal makeup. So the first and foremost step will be a skincare routine. You should always do a skincare routine before going out. So I apply 3 products. One is the toner, then a moisturizer, then a sunscreen. These 3 are the most important. The rest you can add up if you want something extra than these 3. So first one is the toner, then comes your moisturizer. Moisturizing your face is very much important because you need to keep your skin hydrated, as you will be spending a whole lot of time in the college and it will be a long day. So yes, moisturizing. Then comes your sunscreen. So sunscreen is so much important. I can't even explain how much it makes a difference in your skin, because you will be exposed to the sun, because you will be running from this class to that class obviously in college, and you need to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays and also from all the dust and all of those things. So sunscreen is very important. So I have already prepped my skin. Let us start with the makeup round. So I will be starting with aloe vera gel as a primer. You can use any aloe vera gel you want to. So I will be using this Good Vibes aloe vera gel. So yes, we are done with this one. So what I do is, before going with a foundation or a CC cream, I first apply a concealer on my dark spots so that my skin looks a little bit even when I put the foundation. A very little. So my concealer is done. I generally do not go with a foundation when I'm going to college. I go with either a CC cream or a BB cream. So here I'm using the Lakme's 925 CC cream. This is in the shade beige. So yeah guys, my base makeup is almost done. So I don't go for contouring because I don't feel like I need that while I go to college. So wherever I go, I want my cheeks to look very fresh. So I put a little bit of blush, a very little, let me tell you. मैं ज़्यादातर लिपस्टिक्स लगाती हूँ एज अ ब्लश, बिकॉज ये थोड़ा पाउडरी होता है और लिपस्टिक थोड़ा ऑयली होता है. सो आई लाइक द शाइन इट गिव्स टू माई चिक्स. सो आई गो फॉर लिपस्टिक यूजुअली. थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग गया क्या? हाँ, दिस मच इज़ एनफ. ब्लश आप सिर्फ यहाँ मत लगाओ, थोड़ा नाक में और थोड़ा फोरहेड में लगाओ ताकि ये थोड़ा नेचुरल दिखे, वरना ये बहुत ज़्यादा आर्टिफिशियल लगता है अगर आप ब्लश सिर्फ यहाँ लगाओ। Done. So now I will start with my eyebrows. For that I'm using the Blue Heavens brow pencil. It is in the shade dark brown. It is water resistant, long stay and smudge resistant. So first of all I brush up my brows. So my brows are done as well. Let me tell you that I usually don't prefer putting an eyeliner while I go to college, because that, I don't know, I feel like that makes me look a little bit dull and old. So I prefer putting a kajal and mascara. So first of all I will be putting the kajal. This is from Maybelline's New York the Colossal Kajal. So I usually concentrate my kajal on this part more. And now it's time for my most favorite part, that is my mascara. So my eyes are done. The last step is the lipstick. For lipsticks I usually switch to different colors according to my mood. So usually I go with a very subtle lip. I go for nudes. My most favorite lipstick is this one, the Nude Nuance from Maybelline. And I generally go with a small ear stud, maybe in black, silver, etc. Very small one. For lipsticks I have a whole lot of options for you all. This is the one I have put just right now. So this is the one, and this is from the ADS Matte Me. This is in the shade Rose Blossom. I have used this one in several of my videos. I think you have all seen this one. Next one is the Darling Isabella's Pretty Pink Royalty. It is in the shade 2. So this one is a little bit bold color. I really love the pigment of this one. This is supremely matte and it stays for a really long time. And the next one is this one. This is from Nykaa. It is in the shade Traffic Jamin. You can definitely use this lipstick for your college. It's a very beautiful nudish pink shade. So I hope you all have enjoyed watching the video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I'm up with new videos. So stay tuned and see you in my next video.